This is a case of post-electric burn finger contracture of the little finger, ring finger, and the middle finger in a small child. We are planning for 5 flap jet plastic for all these fingers. See the marking, and the little finger is quite stick with the pump. And under general anesthesia with tourniquet guidance, the 5 flap jet plastic has been harvested for little finger here. You can see, and I am doing it with a 15 number blade. After complete release, and the joint, you can see now the ring finger is now going to be released, followed by the middle finger, and here I'm using the multiple jet plastic for all these finger. Here the 5 flap jet plastic has been used for all the fingers, and after completion of the release, the tourniquet is now going to be released and followed by hemostasis has to be achieved. You can see I am going to achieve the hemostasis with the help of the bipolar. No monopolar has been used. And after release of the tourniquet, see the circulations in all the fingers, which is quite satisfactory. So after that, the 0.045-inch K-wire has been fixed for all these three fingers, and fingers are now being stretched out and become straight, and the flap are now being closed with the help of the 6-0 Vicryl, so that the joint area has been covered with the flap and the remnant area has to be covered with the full thickness skin graft that has to be harvested from the lower transverse abdominal crease on the left side. And you can see I am a little bit doubt for the circulation at the little finger due to its color. It is quite blanching. That's why I am using the needle to prick here. After completion of our OT and settling of the full thickness skin graft, I'm going to check the fingertip bleedings, especially for the little finger because the contracture or the of the little finger is much more. And now I am just inserting the needle to see the circulation. Though initially it was delayed to some extent, but later on it becomes quite satisfactory. That's why the K-wire has to be cut and sized in a manner. And after completion of my OT, you can see the outcome on table.